Hi everyone, welcome to an update for the Mario BitCrush pedal. If you haven't already watched that episode of Tone Bogans, the link is in the description box below. Disclaimer, when I originally created the video for that pedal, I pretty much unboxed it, connected it up, tried to do a video on it for Tone Bogans, failed miserably, and I think it is the most downvoted video at this point on my channel. Not that I'm looking to change that. I think the downvotes is probably more about the fact that I couldn't use the pedal rather than the pedal itself. Although, that said, let's see what happens with this video, because people maybe are disliking it for the pedal itself. I'm not sure. But some key points from that video was that this pedal is incredibly noisy. Watch this. So it's all plugged in, it's all ready to go. That's the noise that the pedal makes when it's engaged. So we're already off to a bad start in this rehash, and this isn't about me not liking the BitCrush effect, because I now have on the pedal board that's down there my permanent ambient board. If you've checked the description box for those videos, or a lot of those videos, I think it's largely the drone ones that I've been using that pedal board for, you may notice that I have the Joyo Vision pedal listed, and if I have that listed, I'm usually using the BitCrush mode, which for a cheap pedal, which was maybe 2.5 times the price. I think I got the Mario for about $45, and the Visions is about $120, possibly a little bit more expensive now with the crash of the dollar, but I got, I think, 13 or ridiculous amount of effects, 14 possibly, I'm not sure, effects on the Visions versus the one BitCrush, and it does it better. So we can do a little shootout on that as well, not in this video but in another one. But I kind of want to give the Mario a second chance, and already it's off to that bad start where my guitar wasn't even actually turned on. So that is just the noise coming through from the pedal itself. Let me put my earphones in. These things. These stupid little things so I don't mess my hair up. And the cable's not very long. This is what I cut out of the video last time when I turned off the camera and restarted it. But we've got the same track set up. Oh, whoop, I've done a bad. Hang on. Whoop, uh-oh. I need to plug this in. Cool, let's try that again. So I've got this plugged in now. We've hooked it up to the same song in the last video where I said, hey, let's learn how to make ambient guitar like I make it, the long, hard, stupid way. We're gonna record underneath that. I'm stuck. I hate these headphones, you guys. I have to get better ones. But we're gonna record the exact same lines, and then we're going to compare it. And I'll also put a picture of the settings in the Mario pedal. We're not going to go through all the settings again. I'm just going to show you the settings that I'm using just for reference. Sorry, this is very, very loud, and it's kind of like, it's almost like an echo down the phone line. So let's just record something, because I can't keep these in for very long. Oh no, I'm trapped. Ah, you guys, you have to donate to my channel so I can get some better headphones. Or earbuds. Urgh. All I can hear is noise. Same settings. Except I added the Mario. It's really hard to talk while you play. And I've added it gently. That was out of tone. So the mix is pretty low. Missed a note. Actually, the phaser's turned off. But that's fine because that means you can hear the BitCrush a bit better. If it didn't have that noise, that underlying noise that it just makes, it would be actually really good. Ended it a little bit sooner than the other one. But now we're back to the noise. Let me just kill this. Could have unplugged the headphones actually. Idiot! So you've got that comparison with the non-BitCrusher, and effectively the phaser that I used anyway was the vintage style phaser, which is quite noisy on that MD200. Yeah, is that the pedal? Yeah, whatever pedal I used. The phaser is a really noisy one. And I think maybe, even though the Mario does suck a little bit and it gives you all that noise, I think maybe you could tweak it a bit better and find a setting that works. If you can handle that really high noise floor, then maybe the Mario is for you. Otherwise, I would still avoid it at all costs. I think it's awful, that noise, and it's really hard to get rid of it as well. So I have iZotope RX Repair Suite. That doesn't even really tend to get rid of that underlying noise. So all in all, I still think that the Mario is useless, but I will leave you with a side-by-side comparison where we'll toggle between, with the magic of editing, toggle between the phaser and the BitCrusher on a really low setting, and you can perhaps make a more informed decision than my previous video where I simply used the effect alone, which was terrible and probably a really bad decision at the time. But I didn't really know how to use that pedal, and I didn't give myself enough time to make that video. I think at the time I was doing episodes weekly and I was filming and editing them for that week until I realized that I should just film a bunch in bulk and then edit them and schedule them. So if I had the chance again to redo the episode, I would put that pedal with more effects like I've done in version 2, but I'm not going to extend it out and say here's all your settings with all these effects. I've literally just used a compressor, the BitCrusher, the delay and the Digitech Polara reverb for that nice tails at the end. But the Polara does not do 100% wet, so it does let through the other effects so that you can hear them without getting washed out. So maybe that's a little bit more helpful than the previous episode. I'm not 100% convinced that I would buy the Mario BitCrusher again. And I think Blue and I are potentially thinking of maybe giving the Mario away for the 1,000 subscriber celebration. I'm not too sure. I do know that I don't need to keep it. I might sell it, but I think maybe if anyone is keen to have it, it could be part of a 1,000 subscriber giveaway event, which you can make happen sooner by subscribing. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea to me. I need to go because I can't hear myself when those are in. Hopefully that's a nice little update for you. Let me know if that was completely unhelpful. And yeah, let's see how many downvotes this video gets. Probably just as many because it's just as useless a video. I will catch you very soon with some actually good content. This is just filler while I am making season 2 for Tone Bogans. Catch you soon. Love you all heaps. And remember, be kind to everybody.